Great job! Now let's try a little experiment. I want you to try changing this X to your name. Mine's Matthew, but use your own name. Uh-oh, you've got some errors. That's because these variables are certain types. When I have X equals this, it tells Swift that it's a string. And when I have Y equals 10, Swift infers that that's an integer, or int for short. So if I change this to 2, it'll go back to being an int, and everything will work again. Now, maybe it's a decimal. Maybe I want 2.5. Let's see what happens if I try that. Warning, warning! It's because when you have a decimal point, Swift infers this to be a double. In Swift, and in most programming languages, numbers without a decimal point and numbers with a decimal point are different types. So, what can I do here? You can make them both integers or both doubles. To make this both a double, I can then make this 10.0, and all of a sudden, my errors go away. Now I have a more accurate calculation here with two doubles. Change this to 2.75, and you'll note that it goes to several decimal places. Now Swift is pretty smart and knows what you're going for, but sometimes you want to tell it explicitly. So you'll see code that looks like this. Double. So I can make X and Y doubles, and this is a double now, and we're hard coding this in. And you can also tell Swift it's an integer by typing int instead of double there. Now Swift has documentation online of the various types. There's quite a few of them. Swift is what's called a strongly typed language, meaning each property has a specific type. Now this may sound confusing, so don't worry if you don't understand completely now. I just want you to be exposed to the concept.